Hello guys, welcome to you. If your Windows 11 PC or laptop has any problem, then you have to put into safe mode, and I give multiple ways to put into safe mode in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's go to our first method. Our first method is start PC in safe mode from setting. That is very easy. Go to the start, type settings, click on the settings. In settings, I just minimize it. In settings, here we find system, click on system. In system, scroll down and find recovery. Here we find recovery, click on recovery. In recovery, here we find advanced startup, click on advanced startup. Here we find restart now, click on restart now. It's asked to restart now or close. I go to the restart now. It's restart your machine. Here we find choose an option. After restart, choose an options. Here click on the troubleshoot, click on the troubleshoot. Here we find advanced options, click on advanced options. Here we find startup settings, click on the startup settings, click on the startup settings. In startup settings, we find restart, click on the restart. It's restart our machine once again. After restart, here we find many options. To enable safe mode from 4 to 6 enable safe mode options. First is the enable safe mode only. Second or the fifth is the enable safe mode with network. Our network just like LAN cable and other thing. And sixth is the enable safe mode with command prompt. If you want to add any command, then command prompt is also work in the safe mode. I want to enable only safe mode, so I click on the F4 on my keyboard. If you want to enable safe mode with network, then F5. If you want to enable with safe mode with command prompt, then F6. I am going to press F5 on my keyboard. It's restart our machine and it's restart in a safe mode. Add your PIN or password at here. Now we are in the safe mode in the Windows 11 PC or laptop. Go to the start and restart now. I go to the next method, restart now. Our second method is also very simple. Start a Windows 11 in a safe mode from sign in screen. Here is our sign in screen and I am not logged into my Windows 11. This is our problem. Then go to here. Here we find power button. Hold the shift key on your keyboard. Hold the shift key is IMP. Hold the shift key. Don't release the shift key. Click on the power button. Don't release the shift key. Hold the shift key and click on the restart button. Click on the restart button with the holding shift key on your keyboard. Restart anyway. Here we find restart anyway. Click on the restart anyway and release your shift button. It's restart our machine in a troubleshoot. Here we find choose an option. Here we find troubleshoot. Click on the troubleshoot. Advanced options. Once again, startup settings. Here we find restart. Restart, same thing. Here we find 3 options: 4 number, 5 number, 6 number. Enable safe mode with network, enable safe mode with the network. I want to enable safe mode only, so I press F4 on my keyboard and it's restart in our safe mode. Log in with your password or PIN and our safe mode is open. Now we go to our third method. Third method is go to the start and first restart our machine. Our third method is how to get into safe mode from a black screen. Nothing on our screen. Our screen is totally black and we are going to our safe mode from the Windows recovery environment. There are many ways to go to the Windows recovery environment. I use one of this way. My way is power off our machine for the 3 or 4 times and we go to our Windows recovery environment. So let's go. Power on our machine. I power on my machine. Power off my machine. Power on my machine. Power off my machine. Again power on my machine. Power off my machine. Once again power on my machine. And this time it's showing preparing automatic repair. We are going to the Windows recovery environment. Here we find advanced options. Go to the advanced option. Don't go to the restart. Go to the advanced options. Once again we are in the choose and options. Here we find troubleshoots. Click on the troubleshoots. In troubleshoot, go to the advanced options. In advanced options, go to the startup settings. Click on the startup settings. In startup setting, here we find restart option. Click on the restart. It's restart your machine. In startup setting, you can use 3 options. Enable safe mode, 4 number. Enable safe mode with network, 5 number. Enable safe mode with command prompt. go to the any option that you want. I want 4 numbers, so I press F4. If I want F5, then enable safe mode with network. If F6, then enable safe mode with network command prompt. I go with the F4, type F4 on my keyboard or press F4 key on my keyboard, and it's restart in safe mode once again. Our safe mode is open. Press your key or the pin or the short login key, and here is the our safe mode in Windows 11 PC or laptop. I give the multiple 3 ways to log in or the put into safe mode in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.